Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get paid when you sell on Depop. So after you make a sale, your earnings go to your Depop balance. If you are using Depop payments, your available balance is then paid out to your connected bank account. So in order to set it up, first of all, you just have to simply click on your profile icon here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, simply just look for the option of my Depop, then simply go to your my account section and then look for the option of Depop balance, or you will also find the option of Depop balance inside the settings itself. So you need to simply click on that. Now over here, when you are inside it, you are going to see the option of add your bank account, and you need to also complete your identity verification. Now your payout timing depends on your location and the shipping method. In the US, the payment is basically added to your balance in 2 business days after delivering, or 10 business days after the sale, whichever comes first. In the UK, Depop generally pays 2 business days after delivering with the Depop shipping, and 10 business days after delivery when you ship yourself. If you are outside of US, UK or Australia, you generally need to connect a verified PayPal account and your sale proceeds are sent there instead. So that's how you can get paid on Depop. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.